Hello, today we're gonna make a carrot from pipe cleaner. We need 2 pipe cleaner and 1 seal. We'll take the orange one, we'll cut it 3 centimeter, and the rest we will roll it on the small one like this. Like this is the form of the carrot. Now we will take our green one. We'll cut it at 2 centimeters and another and 2 others. Now we're gonna take one of it and we will put in the carrot and the others on the sides. And if the green pipe cleaner don't go in it, you can just put some hot glue on it and you can glue it. Here we go, made carrot from pipe cleaner. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.